Hello students, Shahaji Thomre sir from Solapur presenting a very beautiful lesson, an encounter of a special kind. In my videos, I covered chit-chat activities, complete explanation of the lesson, and in this video, I'm going to cover vocabulary, margin space questions, activities, and some activities from English workshop. So don't forget to watch the video till the end. याच्यामध्ये मी व्होकॅब्युलरी कव्हर करणार आहे, मार्जिन स्पेस मधले क्वेश्चन्स कव्हर करणार आहे आणि इंग्लिश वर्कशॉप ऍक्टिव्हिटी सुद्धा कव्हर करणार आहे. व्हिडिओ शेवटपर्यंत पहा. बट बिफोर वॉचिंग द व्हिडिओ यू शुड सबस्क्राईब माय यूट्यूब चॅनल, शेअर करा, लाईक करा. सो स्टुडंट्स, लेट्स गो. First of all, the vocabulary part of this lesson. Words, unknown words, adjacent, near, majestic, grand, magnificent, noble, den, habitat or home, unfold, revealed, a whole dimension, new factor, engrossed, occupied in. Festive season means festival. Hearty means sufficient and wholesome. Snoring, grunting sound while asleep. Intermittent, frequent. Shrill means very high and loud sound. Absorb means engrossed. Furiously means in angry manner. Commotion means mess, or we may call it noise and confusion. Hapless, unfortunate. Cacophony means loud, harsh noise. Got the better of is a phrase and meaning is overpowered, defeated. Mercilessly means cruelly. Clan means a very large family. Dominant means powerful or superior. Stout means heavy. Hurl means threw forcefully. Marauding means searching for something to steal or attack. Assault means attack. Listless means without any energy. Slide down means move downwards. Manifold means more and more. Prospects means future benefit. Inert means powerless or motionless. Scoop means cage for poultry. त्याला खुराडा म्हणतात मराठीमध्ये. ओझिंग means releasing, overflowing. उसळून बाहेर येणे. Muffled means quieten, suppressed sound. Stir means move. Then trauma means great distress. Shaky, trembling. Uncanny, strange, mysterious. Bosom means chest. Welled up, coming out. Descended, moved downwards. Cuddled means held closely. Solace, comfort and peace. शांतता ज्याला आपण म्हणतो. Ponder means think over deeply. खूप विचार करणे. Striken, to be hit, harder or suffer. Universal means existing everywhere. Vicious, evil or wicked. Hums into action means becomes active. Compassion means sympathy and kindness. Students, in A3 or B3 in sin passages, similar meaning words or phrases are very important. That's why I have covered part of vocabulary of all paragraphs, passages. पूर्ण भाग आपण याच्यामध्ये कव्हर केलेला आहे. So students, now I am going to cover the important margin space activities. सगळ्यात महत्वाचं आहे फर्स्ट पॅराग्राफ मध्ये क्वेश्चन आहे, व्हॉट वॉज द प्रोफेशन ऑफ रायटर्स फादर? द रायटर्स फादर वॉज वर्किंग इन अ मेडिकल फील्ड, or the writer's father was a medical professional working person, असंही चालेल. महत्वाचा क्वेश्चन आहे पहिल्याच पॅराग्राफ वरती, डिस्क्राइब द कॅम्पस वेअर द रायटर्स फॅमिली लिव्ड. दिस ऍक्टिव्हिटी इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट फॉर 2 marks. And answer is the campus was luxurious with green grass, colorful flowers, and a host of tall and majestic trees. The seasonal vegetables and the magnificent trees attracted squirrels and many species of birds. हा त्याच्यातला खूप महत्वाचा पार्ट आहे डिस्क्राइब द कॅम्पस मध्ये. वन मोर क्वेश्चन इज देअर, what wicked custom is practiced by animal who lives in groups? प्राण्यामध्ये कोणती वाईट प्रथा आहे? ती प्रथा अशी आहे, अ डॉमिनंट मेल युजली डज नॉट अलाउ अनदर मेल बेबी और अडल्ट टू सर्वाइव्ह विदिन इट्स ग्रुप. हे त्याचा आन्सर आहे. अजून एक महत्वाचा क्वेश्चन आहे आपल्याला पुढे. तो क्वेश्चन असा आहे की व्हॉट अटेम्प्ट्स हेल्प द बेबी लंगूर टू रिवाइव्ह, किंवा रायटरने कोणते प्रयत्न केले? एफर्ट्स डन बाय द रायटर टू सर्वाइव्ह और टू रिवाइव्ह द बेबी लंगूर. यामध्ये आपण सांगू घ्या, आन्सर सांगू शकतो, गॅदर्ड अ स्टाउट स्टिक, हर्ल्ड अ पीस ऑफ स्टोन, kept the dogs at bay, hold the baby langoor's tail. These are the attempts made by the writer to survive. आणि अजून एक क्वेश्चन आहे जो फिनिशिंग पार्ट मध्ये आहे, what truth about animal human relationship did this incident reveal to the narrator? ॲनिमल आणि ह्युमन रिलेशनशिप मध्ये लेखकाला कोणते नातं, काय सत्य समजले? व्हॉट वॉज दॅट ट्रूथ? सत्य काय होतं? तर द रिलेशनशिप हम्स इन टू ऍक्शन. बघा महत्वाचं आहे याच्यामध्ये, the interspecies communication and mutual trust is indeed a reality, and should anyone strike the right chord, the relationship comes into action. This is the truth writer understood. Now there are some activities in English workshop, and first one, state whether you are agree or disagree with the following statements. Agree ki disagree, example right wrong, true false, यासारखी ऍक्टिव्हिटी आहे. फर्स्ट वन, the compound where the writer was living rich in nature's bounty. Agree. Holidays provided an opportunity to read various magazines and storybooks. Agree. The narrator made a mistake by saving the baby langur. I am disagree with this statement because narrator made efforts. He did not made any kind of mistake. Did not make any kind of mistake. ने काही चूक केलेली नाही. Animals cannot convey emotions. Disagree. Animals convey emotions. The narrator was 55 years old when this incident occurred. Disagree, because writer was 15 years old when incident occurred. घटना घडली तेव्हा रायटर जो 55 नव्हतं तर 15 होतं, 15 होतं. So I am disagree with this statement. Now important phrases and the meanings. To be a part and parcel means to be an integral part or important part, essential part of something. To be engrossed in To be completely occupied in, to take notice of, to observe and give attention. To figure out means to be able to solve a problem. To think over or think about seriously. To be overwhelmed means to be affected emotionally in a powerful way. In a flash means very quickly. And to find the solace means to find comfort and peace. So only few activities I have covered in this video. So students, enjoy the whole lesson. Watch all activities which I have covered in all videos of the lesson. An encounter of a special kind. So don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, share and like. Thank you so much.